victory. The King of love had given up his life. The darkest day in history. There on the cross they made for sinners. For every curse his blood atoned. One final breath and it was finished. But not the end we could have known. For the earth began to shake, and the veil was torn. What sacrifice was made as the heavens roared.
Oh, hail Jesus! Oh, hail the Lord of heaven and earth! Oh, hail King Jesus! Oh, hail the Savior!
accepted.